In this video, we are going to see the purple-rumped sunbird making the nest from day 1 and see how other birds attack their nest. This is a pair of purple-rumped sunbird. Selects the twig to build the nest in front of a house. This is a male purple-rumped sunbird which is smaller in size, feeding mainly on nectar, but sometimes take insects, particularly when feeding the young. This is the tickle flowerpecker, which is the smallest, tiniest bird, comes for berry in our garden. It picks up the berry and at times flies very quickly. This is tickle again in a terrace, picks the cotton to build the nest. It makes a tick sound and flies very faster. This is red whiskered bulbul, which always seen in pairs. This is in this berry tree. Here we see house sparrows and sunbird, male and female, also seen in the tree. This is again house sparrow and red whiskered bulbul. They are buddies, always seen in the feeding areas and visits our garden every day. This is bulbul again, collecting the soft cotton and nesting material to build the nest. This is house sparrow and male and female. Sunbird collects the cotton to complete the nest. They build a hanging pouch nest made up of cobwebs, lichens and plant material, flying seeds and at times spider webs because it is sticky, and complete the nest. This is the female sunbird, collects from the coconut tree the fiber and nesting material. Males are brightly colored, but females are olive above and yellow below. They pollinate the flowers of many plant species. This is male on the top and female helping below to complete the nest. Purple sunbird is attracted to red flowers, yellow flowers, hibiscus, which is commonly seen in our garden. When collecting cobwebs, they are often seen in windows of homes. Also, at times, end up tapping the windows, possibly at their own reflection. This is the sunbird which is feeding the young. You can see the beak which is very curved, which helps to take the nectar from the tubular flowers and also helps in pollination. You can see a tickle bird which comes near to the nest to disturb the sunbird nest. Very tiniest bird which flies very faster. Here is the house sparrow which comes to visit the sunbird nest, tries to pull the nesting material out of the sunbird nest. It comes to the nest, peeps inside the nest to see what is inside and attack the nest. This is the male house sparrow. Visits the sunbird nest again to see and tries to pull the nest. This sunbird is gone searching for food to feed the fledglings. You can see them upside down collecting some nesting stuff and searching the insects to feed the young. Sunbird is very active, cheerful, and very challenging to capture them. Here you can see the female house sparrow again peeps inside the nest to disturb the nest. The sunbird returns back to see whether if everything is okay in the nest and the fledglings are okay. Here is a red whiskered bulbul comes to disturb the nest. The sunbird returns to see the nest to check the fledglings are okay. The sunbird is feeding the young ones, usually gets the insects to feed the young. This is a juvenile sunbird out of the nest after all this struggle was able to survive and visits our garden. What a joy to see this small little sunbird grown up and visits the garden. The sunbird is pecking at the mirror to see its reflection. This is the story of sunbird nest attack in front of us. If you like this presentation, like, share and comment.